I will walk you through our demo professional plan, how it comes out of the box. This is just the same way how once you sign up, this is what you would see. So I will walk you through this. And if you need any help in setting up, we can do that for you as well. So this is a launch pad just to kind of direct you to set it up so you can start using straight away. It's just a walkthrough like mobile app, and I highly recommend, by the way, download mobile app. This is the desktop version where you can do all of the things, and most of the important things you can also manage on either Apple or Android. So let's dive into dashboard. I will go through from top to bottom and walk you through everything. Just keep in mind that this has no data, and some information like meaningless, like no data found and stuff like this. So you can customize this to how you prefer, but this is basically your business information. Everything is in one place, so you can manage your business effectively. Conversations, this is for emails and WhatsApps and Facebook and Instagram messages. All the things will come up here. Also, if you receive a review, once you connect your Google Maps profile listing, it will come up here, and you can see like will be this conversation setup. Check our video with all comprehensive once actual demo account. Once it's set up, you will see more comprehensive. So this is where the timeline, and you can see all the details as well. Let me just dive in. You can see snippets, manuals, and recent, so that's quite straightforward what it is. Again, I didn't connect my calendar, but if I have, it will come up like a calendar view. There's some settings, appointments, I can see it, and calendar settings is actually inside. I will show you this later. Contacts. So this has no contacts, but let's quickly create one. So let's put Donatas, Simkus, and info at growthninjagroup.com. And once it's created, it gets redirected to this account, and this is how it looks. So you have all these details. Again, you can customize it, this one in the settings, how you want to be displayed. You can create new folders, new fields, checkboxes, multiple lines and tags, and there's automation, history, opportunities you can create from here as well. So there's a lot of things you can do, community groups, courses offers, so, and company details. You can also set it up here. You can see activity, what happened, tasks, like what forms submitted, what pages viewed. You can create tasks, you can add notes, appointments, documents, payment links with bulk actions. You can restore it, task, company. There's a lot you can do. And there's also, you can do bulk actions from here. I'm just quickly going through so you can see a tooltip, and you can also add filters, right? So it's very much comprehensive. So let me just see. Okay, so let's go into opportunities. This is where you see what opportunity, so you can set up specific pipeline. So let's put, I'm just doing on a spot state. Let's say open, hot, closed. And this is opportunity, and this is how it will look like. So again, let's assign this primary phone 0. Again, it checks if a phone is valid, so I'm not going to be able to do it right now. So, and this is opportunity created. Pipeline, bulk actions. I think this is straightforward. It's quite comprehensive as well. You can set up in many different ways. Okay, this is the payments, where abandoned checkouts, subscriptions, if you have any, payment links, but you need to integrate with Stripe transactions. You can create products, create coupons, other settings where you can set up how your outbound communication will look like, and other settings. This is integration for the payments. So most common is Stripe and PayPal, which I recommend. I actually prefer Stripe, but also we have other options too. So let me just, something didn't quite work. Okay. So there's also other options as well, and we keep on adding new ones. That's that. Marketing. So we have a social planner which you can actually integrate and schedule using, even create content using AI, and also add images, schedule posts, check analytics. It's very comprehensive. As you can see, this is some of the options listed, what you can actually do. There's emails, campaigns, you can create emails from here. I also recommend watching other video which walks you through this demo account which already set up. So templates, statistics, so there's quite a lot. This is snippets, which helps you to save time. If you answering in the same way or sending the same message, you can create snippets and start using them. Countdown timers. You can create your countdown timer and add it. Brand boards. If you want to keep consistent with the same fonts, same colors, you can just set up that. Automation. This is a very powerful automation. I highly recommend. Oh, okay. This doesn't actually have it. Okay, so you need to actually check premium plan for this. And sites. This is where you can run funnels for create websites. It has some limitations. It's not as comprehensive and flexible as WordPress, but if you want, you can set up everything inside, the same as like on other plan. And this is analytics, blogs, WordPress. This is where it's you have a full flexibility of WordPress and hosting, which is a super fast hosting we have integrated with. You can also set up forms, which is you can have many different kind of forms for contact details, other stuff. Analyze, and you can check submissions. Is right now no. Chatbot, quite comprehensive. You can have SMS, email, chat, live chat, WhatsApp as well. QR code, not very advanced. You can check our qamplify.com. This one is simple but does the job. URL redirects. Once you create a domain, you can just set up some rules for this. Integration. This is integrating with a Google account which has analytics, Google Maps, profile listing, connects with Facebook, Instagram accounts. Also tracks two-way communication. So if somebody sends you a message, you can reply from the system. Very comprehensive. You can also create workflows and automations based on this as well. Connect with QuickBooks, Clio account, Stripe, Shopify, TikTok, LinkedIn, Forms, Slack, Printful for printing drop shipping items, and Shippo for delivery. Private integrations, if you have, you can use this very powerful API v2. Conversation providers, this is not connected. Tags from one place. Once you create a tag, either on opportunity level or contact level, you can either delete, manage them, or edit. Labs, if you want to test our new upcoming feature, you can enable before it actually gets rolled out, and you can check what's happened in your account recently in case something goes wrong. Brand boards, again, I walked you through this before, so that's the same thing. And let me just, and I think so this is membership. If you want to create a members account, issue also certificates, if you have courses, this is where the media storage will live. You can manage also reputations from here once you connect your GMP account. You can create a widget listed on your website, so you can show genuine reviews and set up how you actually request these reviews. And also, once you enable AI, you can auto-respond. This is where reporting comes in. So for Google Ads accounts and Facebook ads and all the other good stuff. App marketplace, if you want to connect third-party add-on, and mobile app in case you want to for quicker download. Let's go into settings. This is where you would set up your business profile. There's a bunch of details you need to fill in to have and set up to your requirements. So I would highly recommend to take time and set up correctly, or we can actually do this one for you, as we have done this multiple times already. My profile, which is this demo account, again, there's some things you can customize: adding picture, connecting account, signature, set up calendar for video conferencing, and set up when I'm available. Billing, again, this is just a test account, so ignore this price, but this is billing history, account details. So my stuff, this is, I'm admin right now at this account, but you can also add another user. You can see this is what we can do. We can have very granular permissions given, so we can only give as much as we need, and set up other details too. Opportunities, again, we can further customize all these opportunities based on how we assign. Calendars, this is where we can create a new calendars, and you see some of the options right here. And we can have into groups, service menus. You can set up rooms if there is a need for this. Let's say we're offering same service, but they have to be split in different rooms, so you can still overlap. If you can assign specific equipment, there's a bunch of different preferences, again, which we need to set it up. Some things are connected in other places, so it gets once you update in other place, this one gets updated. So it's just something to keep in mind. And conversation AI, right? So this is, you can add different channels, as you can see. Suggestive, you can have autopilot, is bunch of different kind of stuff. And bot trial, you can test how it actually would respond, so you can test it, and you can, this is where you train based on your content, and you can further customize and guide the responses, and you can actually drive towards booking an appointment as well. This is the settings. Again, there's no calendar right here. Email services, so just wait for me to load. Email services, again, this is where I think it's very important. If you want to not just send emails but make sure that they get delivered, we will set up for you, because there are specific rules like DKIM, DMARC, and other stuff to which test legitimacy of the email. So we do that for you and set up. So, and also we can warm up your email, meaning that we can mimic the actual email behavior by sending, replying, clicking on things. So we can set up that for you. Since the agency, we have accounts for this. Phone numbers, again, there's about 2 weeks in UAE waiting time if you want a number, but you can only, it's a toll number, toll-free number, which you can only receive phone calls. So for other locations like US, London, there's more flexibility. You can even send SMSs, so something to keep in mind. And again, there's some things to, like regulatory bundle. If you want to be approved, you need to set it up this, or we can set it up for you. WhatsApp integration, there's an add-on if you want to create templates and send in not just emails but WhatsApps as well, as a marketing material. You can have videos, documents, links, customization, and all that stuff to be sent. And also you can reply to WhatsApp, as well as you can create one number and multiple people can have access to this through the system. So you don't need to actually purchase, and you can see everything what's going on. They've everything under one roof. Reputation management, again, this is moved to a new location, so this is right here. But reputation management, Custom fields. Custom fields is fields which lives in multiple formats. Let me just show you a few. So this is the formats for contacts and opportunities. So you can set up these to either customize the fields which you collect directly from a customer or your client, or you can actually set up these fields so you can actually input. You can set up folders, and this is custom fields and custom values. The main difference is that custom fields is personalized for specific opportunity or contact, where custom values you can set up on account level, and once you update everywhere we're using that field or snippet will update. So it's especially useful for running promotions, let's say monthly or quarterly promotions, or having specific offer and you're communicating this inside. So you don't have to change every single communication channel or message. You change it once and everywhere else will be changed from a custom value. Super powerful. Manage scoring. This is where you can add scores, kind of like a track how hot lead gets based on specific activities, either from your end, what you maybe tag or add specific fields, or based on how customer interacts. So this is some of the fields. Domains, you can connect or purchase domain from our CRM. Once you connect domain, you can set up redirects. Integration, this is integration platform. I think I went through this before, but basically quickly Google Analytics, profile, Facebook, Messenger, all these other stuff you can integrate. Private integration for PV2, conversation providers, labs, brand boards, and companies. So that's our plan, and you have a 14 days trial, so test it. We can help you set it up and hit the ground running. It's very comprehensive, and I'm very sure you will like it and will be using, and it will help your business.